So here's a quick little tip if anyone's looking for a way to record RC videos and not have to use one hand. Take a glue gun and put a big puddle right on the end of your transmitter. Just stick a GoPro or a phone mount on it. And see, this is my controller for the Max. I already got it done. So I'll show you this one that's for my TRX4. And no, it is not pretty looking. It's extremely ugly. It doesn't matter what you do, it looks like crap. But we're not doing this to look pretty. Just pump it on there. Ooh. Looks just like my welds. Bubble gum. Try not to let it run down the bottom. That's it. Let her dry. Put your phone or your GoPro on there. You're good to go.